What's up guys? Wala may init karon guys. It was alingeeng for today's video. So karon guys, dili na ko mag-post og kuan kanang turtle kay murag isa ka semana na gyud ato ang turtle. Sige na tag turtle. O lahi na pud ako ang i-post karon guys. Ang pangalan niya is turtle lang gyapon. Hi Shwine! What you doing today? So the Matthews niya na sila kung pwede ba daw lahi na po daw na turtle ang ato ang i-post kay sige balik-balik kung taga-adlaw sige turtle and then sige anyong so mo to siya guys. So today I'm going to change the turtle. Shrine, you know, scared, angry, right? So mo to siya guys. So kaning diri color brown jersey dapit sa iyang front kay iyahan ng di mo na ako dili sa gulay dira siya guys. Hi Swan. So nakanindot ang jud ani siya guys. His body is so nice and he was so is so giggles.